Here's our long title for today. We have a ginger, sesame, tofu, asparagus stir fry. So 4 main ingredients make a really delicious and healthy main course. So here's what we have: our tofu for the protein, we have our asparagus for the primary vegetable, and we're going to stir fry this. We're going to take 2 oils. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. We're going to stir fry the tofu in that. Then we're going to add garlic and 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and red pepper if you like. And then we're going to add the asparagus. We have 1.5 pounds of asparagus. This whole thing is for 4 people. Asparagus, we're going to stir fry that for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add our finishing touches. We have a little mirin, which is a white rice vinegar. We have a little lime juice. We have a little tamari sauce, and we have toasted sesames. So, all right, I'll meet you at the stir fry area. All right, so here we go with our oil. We have canola oil, and we have toasted sesame oil. And we're going to add our tofu. 7 or 8 ounces of tofu, basically a ½ pound, diced like this. And this we're going to brown for about 2 minutes. So now we've had our 2 minutes of sauteing with the stir fry. Now we add our fresh ginger and a little fresh garlic, and just a touch of red pepper. Again, this is depending on how spicy you like it. So just put a touch in. We're going to just let that get comfortable in the pan. You know, you can buy, when you buy tofu in the store, you can buy soft, medium, or hard. I have a medium, so it holds its shape, because you want it to hold like sometimes you want it to crumble, but not today. Today we want it to have a shape. So this is 1.5 pounds. I've cut off the ends, and I've cut it in these nice sizes. Now this will be for about 5 minutes. You know, when you buy asparagus at the store, the very end, this doesn't taste so good. So you want to take it and you just crack it like that, and it'll naturally break where it becomes too coarse and rough, the part that you want to eat. You can also use a knife and chop it off, but by hand is really good too. Oh, this is going to be really pretty and really good.
Okay, see, doesn't that look colorful and delicious? And our mirin, which is the name for a white rice wine. In a pinch, you can just use any white wine. And our lime juice, and our tamari or soy sauce. Ooh la la. Now, I like to serve this all by itself, but ideally you could also put it over rice or noodles. And this would be a complete meal, because we have our protein, we have our veggies, and if you put a rice or noodles, you'd have your starch in it. So, doesn't that look beautiful?
Okay, so now doesn't that look attractive? I love the colors on this. And you can use, this is regular sesame seeds. You can also use black sesame seeds, a little dramatic. Now, I've already cheated. I know how good it tastes. But I'll just remind myself. So, doesn't that look pretty? Oh my goodness. And it's so healthy, so nutritious, so low calorie, and so quick, actually. There's a little mixing of the ingredients, but the whole thing probably takes less than 10 minutes. Okay. Makes me want to do the happy dance. The sesame oil and the sesame seeds are fabulous. Okay, happy eating.